To free up space on your Google Pixel 10a, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down to the storage right here, and then we can click on free up space. Now this should work as a tool that allows you to preview different things. For example, you can go for the apps and then see all of the apps on your phone and then remove them. So you can see installed apps, filter it by system apps or app files that you've installed. So that is the great way to uninstall apps. As you can see, the ones that you can uninstall safely right here, system apps that you shouldn't uninstall, and app files as well. You can go for the categories like downloads and empty your download folder. You can go for the images, select the photos that you want to remove, and then click on a trash button to delete them. And always when you're done here, make sure to go to the trash bin. So click on the trash, and then when you're ready, you can select all of the items and delete them permanently or restore photos that you want to bring back. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.